say no communion for you.
I'm shutting people down from
Yeah,
getting
shut
communion.
people communion.
Okay, so Brendan's coming up for communion.
Oh! Body of Christ? What? What? No! Next. Body of Christ? You look like slut. Body of what? What? No! Body of Christ? What? What? No! You want the body of Christ, sinner? What?